Some people have pointed out that this could be a human, but others have noticed how its legs and arms appear to be the exact same length. It almost looks like it could be an animal, but I'm not aware of any animal from this region that likes to hang upside down from bridges. Besides,
Where's she? Let's go! Maybe she's right here. Right there. Huh? That's so cute. See,
Number 19, Kylie, while creeping across, this thing on the other hand.